Do you have an emblem that keeps falling off your car and you need to reattach it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach it so it doesn't fall off. Most of these emblems are just adhered with double-sided tape. So, you can see some of the double-sided tape that's still stuck to the vehicle. And if you were to just put some more on and reattach it, it's going to fall off. Now there's a lot of dirt and debris in this area, and that's probably why the letters keep falling off. And we need to remove that. There are many different kinds of adhesive remover that you can use. But I am using wet sandpaper here. Don't scrub really hard either. That's going to scratch the paint also. So just lightly. We got all that adhesive off. So, we're going to let that dry. Now we're going to use double-sided tape to attach the emblems, but before you do that, they make something called adhesive promoter, or use some alcohol, which is what you want to wipe on the back of the letters. That's going to make the double-sided tape last a lot longer. You just take the double-sided tape and just line this up. And you can either use scissors, or a razor blade, or an X-Acto blade would work even better and just trim the excess. And you're pretty much going to do that around the letters. Now I get the letters all taped up and we're ready to install. But before that, heat up the backside with lighter. This way emblem doesn't fall off. Now we can kind of see where the letters were before because of the paint. This is it. That's how you reinstall or reattach some letters or an emblem on the back of your car. If there's anything I missed or you have another technique, make sure you leave me a comment on how to do that. And if you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, make sure you subscribe to our channel.